Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix black screens in both OBS and Loki. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So what you want to do is press Windows R and you want to go to App Data. Now this part is for Loki specifically. I'll be showing you guys how to do it for OBS at the very end. So what you guys want to do is make sure that you're in your user App Data and then go ahead and change App Data to local and then programs, then go to lowkey-electron. Once in the lowkey-electron, you want to go to resources, then native, and then OSN. Once in OSN, make sure that you see obs64.exe and go ahead and copy this. Now go ahead and go to graphics settings right here. Once inside of graphics settings, you want to make sure that you set OBS and OBS64, which is Loki, to power saving, which is how you fix the issue. For Loki, what you want to do is you want to click Browse, paste in what we had to copy earlier. Go ahead, find OBS64, and then it'll be added, but I already added it, so that's why this appears. Then you go to Options and set it to power saving. So for OBS Studio, you want to go ahead, open up File Explorer once again, go to this PC, Windows, then you want to go ahead, once you're in Windows, you want to go to Program Files, scroll down until you find OBS Studio, and go to Bin, 64-bit, find OBS Studio, which is right here, obs64.exe, copy it, and then browse, paste it, boom, boom, boom. Mine is already added, and then same thing, set it to power saving. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this simple tutorial, please subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.